Hey friends, Tech World here, and welcome back to Tech World. If you're new here, a warm welcome to the family. Today's video is a special one because we're diving into a guide to earning $1,000 a day from the comfort of your home. But before we jump into the good stuff, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss out on the awesome content we have in store for you. Now, let's talk about what's in store for today. A guide to earning $1,000 a day from the comfort of your home. Whether you're here for earning $1,000 a day, I guarantee you're in for a treat. In a world where remote opportunities abound, the dream of earning $1,000 a day from home is more attainable than ever. With dedication, strategic planning, and a touch of entrepreneurial spirit, you can turn your home into a thriving workspace. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to make that dream a reality. Identify your skill set. Start by recognizing your skills and expertise. Whether it's writing, graphic design, coding, or digital marketing, leverage your strengths to find lucrative online opportunities. Freelancing platforms. Explore freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to showcase your skills. Create a compelling profile, set competitive rates, and actively bid on relevant projects. Affiliate marketing. Partner with companies as an affiliate marketer. Promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Blogging or creating content on platforms like YouTube can be effective for this. E-commerce and dropshipping. Launch an online store and explore dropshipping as a business model. With platforms like Shopify, you can set up an e-commerce store without the need for inventory. Social media management. Offer social media management services to businesses looking to enhance their online presence. Your skills in content creation, scheduling, and engagement can be highly valuable. Stock trading or Forex. Learn about stock trading or foreign exchange, Forex trading. While it requires education and risk management, successful trades can generate substantial income. Earning $1,000 a day from home is a realistic goal with the right strategy and dedication. Experiment with different approaches, stay adaptable, and continually educate yourself to stay ahead in the ever-evolving online landscape. Remember, success often comes with persistence, so keep refining your methods and pushing towards your financial goals. Good luck on your journey to financial freedom. Before we dive in, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude. Our community has been growing, and it's all thanks to each and every one of you. Your likes, comments, and the incredible support you've shown mean the world to me. So, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What kind of content do you enjoy the most on this channel? Drop a comment below and let me know. Your feedback is invaluable, and it helps shape the future of this channel. And there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed diving into earning $1,000 a day. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Sharing is caring, right? Now, before you go, I want to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. We have a ton of exciting content planned, and I'd love for you to be a part of our community. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss when we drop a new video. Before we part ways, a huge thank you for spending this time with me today. Your support means the world, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. All right, Tech World family, stay awesome, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.